Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 4, tick tick tick. So this chapter is about clock and telling the time. Okay, so any clock if you are taking, you can see two hands will be there, two thick needles will be there. That is, here in this figure you can see two thick needles, here one, here two. So there are the two thick needles. So the smaller needle is called as the smallest needle is called as hour hand, and the longest needle is called the minute hand. So these are the two thick needles. Okay, just a trick to remember which hand is which. Minute is a long word, so it is longest hand. Hour is a small word, so it is smallest hand is hour hand. Okay, that is hour hand and minute hand, just to remember. Okay, now in a clock 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, half hour is equal to 30 minutes, 1/4 hour is equal to 15 minutes. Okay, now how to tell time? We have to see the two hands of the clock, that is hour hand and the minute hand. Look at the short hand, that is hour hand. Look at the short hand. Look at what number it has passed. So here it has just passed 4. So you can write the time. In the time 4 you can write here. So I am writing 4 here. Then step 2. Look at the long hand. So here we have the long hand. Start at 12, then count by 5. Start at 12. Then what you have to do is 1 you have to read as 5. 2 you have to read as 10. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Like that you have to go. So it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It will go on like this. So look at the long hand. Start at 12, then count by 5. Stop when you get to the minute hand. So where is the minute hand stopping? Here it is at 5. So the time is 4 hours 5 minutes. This is how we have to write the time. One more same thing. One more clock is here. We will see how to say the time. See the short hand. Short hand has just passed 9. So we will write 9 hours. Now see the minute hand. Where is minute hand? It is on 6. So I told you have to start like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Where is it? 6. 6 means it is 30. So 30 minutes. 9 hours 30 minutes. This is how we have to write the time. So here, if the minute hand is on 12, so you will call it as 2 hours. Okay, that is 2 hours. It has completed 2 hours. Or you can call it as 2 o'clock. That is 2 o'clock. Okay. See here, the minute hand is on 1 and the short hand is on 2. So what's the time? 2 hours. How many minutes are over? It has started from here and it has reached here. That means how many divisions it covered? It covered 5 divisions. So it is 2 hours 5 minutes. That's how you have to write 2 and then you have to write 5. 2, 5. Okay. Or another way is it's 5 past 2. That means it has completed 2 hours. After 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, how many minutes are over? 5 minutes are over. That means 5 past 2. After 2 o'clock, 5 minutes over. Okay, so it is 5 past 2. Now, what is the same thing? 2:10 or 10 past 2. That means 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, 10 minutes. So, 10 minutes past 2 or 10 past 2. Same way, you can see here, this is 15 minutes past 2. That is 15 past 2 or 2:15. This is 2:20, 2:25, 2:30, or we can say it is half past. That means 60 minutes. What is 60? Half of 60, it is 30. So 30 minutes are over, right? So here to here means it is 30 minutes. It is half an hour. So it is half past 2, or you can say it as it is 2:30. 2:30. Okay. What time is it? It is 2:35 or 25 to 3. So if the minute hand is between 6 and 12, you have to say it by 2. When it was here, we told it as past. But when the minute hand is in this side, we have to say it as 25 to 3. How is it 25 to 3? We can see the minute hand is here. So to become 3 o'clock, how many minutes? After how many minutes it will be 3 o'clock? So you can see 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that is 25 to 3. So for coming to 3 o'clock, 25 minutes more are there. Okay, after 25 minutes, it will be 3 o'clock. That's what it is. Okay. It will be 40 to 3. It will be 45 to 3. 10 minutes to 3 o'clock. 5 to 3. And what is this? It is 3 o'clock. It has become 3 o'clock because the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 3. So it is 3 o'clock. So here we can see what is it. Just see, if it is on 5, how will you call? It is 5 past. Here it is 10 past. This is its quarter. It is 20. It is 25. Now coming to this side of the clock, what will you say? We will take it as 2. It's 25 2. It's 22. It's quarter to. It's gone. And if it is the minute hand is here, it will be o'clock. That is 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. It will go on like this. It's very important telling the time. Okay.